Just thought I'd do a real quick video from the ed here. Obviously the dire situation that we're in with the COVID-19 coronavirus epidemic concerns. A real quick idea here that I've been using for a little while is you can get some antiseptic basically readily available to yourself by just using some old lens cleaner bottles. At least I have quite a few of these laying around from eyeglass prescriptions. Every time they you get a new pair of glasses, they give you these bottles of eyeglass cleaner and stuff. So what I've done is I've taken the soap solution out, washed them out, use a high concentration alcohol. Anything over pretty much 75% will work. If you want, you can water it down to 75%, but I would just simply use probably the full concentration. Oops, I'll put that back in there. 91% in this case, I think denatured alcohol. The kind of the trick here is simply to add just a drop of glycerin to it, and it has the advantage that it really is just a drop here, just tiny little. There is all we need. And then the advantage to that is it will slow down the rate of evaporation of the alcohol, and it'll stick to your hands a little bit better, and it'll act a little bit like a moisturizer. Probably not much, but a little bit, and it'll help a little bit on ease of it all. But it'll help the alcohol kind of stick to your skin, moisturizes it a bit, and slows the rate of evaporation. And so what you do, it produces, it's a little atomizer, and it just you atomize it, put it on your hands, rub your hands together. And you probably want to rub this guy too, because anything you've touched, including this bottle, could be a potential issue. And then what I've been doing to carry these bottles around conveniently is I have an old cell phone little holster here that I just clip to my pants waist there, and these will holster in pretty nicely. If you happen to have something like that laying around, it might be easier than reaching into your pocket. Once again, if you're questioning there's something on your hands, you don't really want to even put your hands in your pockets if you can help it, because you're potentially transmitting stuff from your keys or anything else that you're holding onto, your phone or something like that. So, if you're at the grocery store before and after you handle things, you can just quickly, try and avoid touching anything. You can take this thing out, spray yourself. Obviously, I'm getting a lot of it on the thing itself, which is good. You can put assuming this is still on your waist, you can put that back on and avoid touching anything else at that point, and that's the idea there. And very high concentration, over 75% alcohol, really does seem to destroy most any virus and probably bacteria cell walls, and just breaks them apart and hopefully neutralizes them. And so it's just alcohol and a little drop of glycerin. Remember to shake the bottle from time to time to get the glycerin kind of, because it will settle in the mixture. And that's basically it. And wash your hands a lot, and really think about what you're doing with your hands, and really observe, be very vigilant about what you're doing with your hands, because that's the biggest means of transmission of just anything, not even just this virus. So that's it from the ed, and stay safe, and hopefully we'll get all through all this soon.